I am Gunapriya. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel GpnArts. Today I made this paper gun. If you want to learn how to make this paper gun, then let's move to our video. Here I have one A4 size paper. Now what I am going to do, I fold it from middle. Press here. Open the paper. Now I have here one line, but I don't want exact half, so what I am going to do, I make a line here. So I don't want exact half, that's why I draw this line, and now I am going to cut it. Here I have one big piece and one small piece. This piece I will use for any other craft. Now I want this small piece. So now what we are going to do, first fold it from the middle. Here I fold it from the middle and press here. Now you get one line here, so press till that line. Okay, fold like this and press here. Same with this part, fold it till the middle. And press it. Now fold like this, so you close that paper. You will get a strip like that, little bit of thick strip. Now look carefully, hold like this. This is my left hand and this is my right hand. Fold it like this, turn here, and from the back side come here, and here you can see a circle, a hole. You put this strip inside that circle. That's mean you are making a knot with the paper, and slowly pull it and make it tight. Here your knot is ready. Now you press that knot and your simple paper gun is ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do not forget to share it with your family and friends. For more upcoming new videos, please subscribe GpnArts. Till then, bye.